Hello family, welcome back. Today we are making one of our local dishes, authentic garden eggs abomu. This is one of my all-time favorite. Stick around and let's get started. We will start by cutting up our garden eggs into a saucepan. I will add in our jalapeno peppers and turkey berries. Turkey berries are rich in nutrients, so please make sure to add these particular vegetables in our feed. I'll then bring it to a boil. I'll boil this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I will then air fry some momone, which is cured fish, and some tomatoes. Then chop and slice some onions and set them aside for later use. In a separate saucepan, I will add in my washed and cut up yams, add in some salt to taste, and cook this until soft. Vegetables are cooked, so I'll start by grinding together our peppers and onions. Once that is done, into our preferred smoothness, I will grind our almighty momone. This momone is momone. There's smell in this house. Oh my god, and in this kitchen. I will go ahead and add in our turkey berries and grind this as well onto my preferred smoothness. Next, I will add in our tomatoes and grind this onto smooth as well. I then grinded my garden eggs into batches until I got my preferred smoothness, or until everything was grinded nicely. For my soft life gang, don't worry, I've not left you out. If you don't have access to Apatoria Sanka or earthenware, you can just throw all the vegetables into your food processor and then grind it in there. It's even quicker. I think I'll bring a video out showing you this. Everything is nicely grinded. I'll go ahead and add in about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. You don't have to do this. This is optional. You can omit it if you don't have peanut butter. If you are allergic, please omit this. I just want the peanut flavor in there. I will then taste for salt. Mine was not enough, so I added a bit more to it. Give it a gentle stir or grind to make sure everything is well combined. And then our abomu is done. See, this is the hardest part. Once you finish this, you are done. The next stage is to fry up some oil. So I'll add in my homemade palm oil. If you've not watched my video, I'll link in the description box below. Once that is added and heated up in a saucepan, I will add in some tuna and fry this up. Once the tuna is nicely fried, I'll go ahead and add in our sliced onion and fry this for about 2 minutes until translucent. After 2 minutes, our oil is ready, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit onto our abomu like this, and then I'm gonna give it a stir to make sure there is oil in every part of the abomu. Once nicely mixed, I will then go ahead and pour in the rest of it on top like that. And then I'll add in our almighty eggs. We can't go ahead and eat this without our eggs, you know what I mean. Now our abomu is ready to be enjoyed. We enjoyed it with our boiled yam and some avocado or a koyi papa. It was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give it a try. If you love the video, please give me a thumbs up and press on the notification button so that I don't miss any of my videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.